Hello guys, welcome back to Ruiru Kenya TV. We hope you're having a great day and thank you so much for joining us. So today guys, we are in Kamakis in Ruiru Kenya and we're gonna be touring this low budget duplex home with beautiful exterior and interior designs courtesy of the 47 Investments Company. The 47 Investment Company is your to-go-to construction company in Kenya. They specialize in the design and building of both residential and commercial real estate properties. This is a duplex home consisting of 2 units and each unit is a 3-bedroom apartment. This neighborhood is a strictly controlled development zoned for residential homes, and the owner wanted a way to make an income out of it, and the 47 Investments Company came up with a great design without violating the zoning. The 47 Investment Company will go a distance to make your construction plans a success. Please join us in the tour and watch till the end. We would really appreciate that. As you enter through this front door, it opens up to the well-designed stairway. Both the front door and the stairway will be shared by both units. We are now moving into the first unit, and as you get in, you're welcomed by these spacious dining and living areas, which offers big windows that flood in the rooms with natural light. Please remember to like this video, to share it out with the people in your circle, to leave us a comment at the comment section, and if you're new here or you have never subscribed to this channel, we would be honored if you would consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Adjacent to the living and the dining areas is this spacious kitchen, which offers a great space for your meal preps. Through this door is the backyard, which offers a space that you can set up your washing machine. Getting back inside, let's check out the rest of this house. This house comes with a separate washroom and a shower, with studded finishing in both the washroom and the shower. Moving on, this is the first bedroom, which offers great storage areas in the wardrobes and offers big windows that allow natural light to flood this room. Moving on, we are now in the second bedroom, which is identical to the first bedroom that we showed you, with these big windows that let in a lot of light and also a lot of storage in the wardrobes. We are now moving into the master bedroom of this house, which is very spacious and also features those big windows that let in a lot of light and also a lot of storage areas in the wardrobes. This is the bathroom of the master bedroom and it comes with standard finishing. We have now finished touring the first unit. Let's go upstairs and tour the second unit. As you walk upstairs, you can't fail to notice this amazing design of the staircases and the big windows too. We are now in the second unit and it's almost identical to the first unit that we just toured, but please keep watching, you'll notice a few differences here and there. As you can notice, the lighting in this dining area and the living area is quite different from the first unit. This is the kitchen area and it offers a great space to make your favorite recipe. Through this door is the kitchen balcony, which offers a space for your washing machine but also gives you a great view of the neighborhood. This second unit also comes with a shared separate bathroom and a shower with standard finishing. We are now in the first bedroom of this second unit, and it offers great space and also storage areas in the wardrobes. We now find ourselves in the second bedroom, and it's almost identical to the one that we just toured. Moving on, this is the master bedroom en suite, and it offers great space and a lot of storage areas and great views, as you will see. This master bedroom en suite comes with a balcony on the second unit, and it gives a great view of the neighborhood and the front yard. The 47 Investments Company are key to details and will customize your next construction project in Kenya to your liking. So please contact them at the number on your screen, and we would really appreciate it. We now find ourselves at the rooftop of this house, and this is a shared space for both units, and here you can hang out with your family or your friends, and also you can air dry your laundry. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom apartment in Ruiru, Kenya along the Eastern Bypass, please look no more. We can connect you to the owner and you can rent this one. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate that. Please remember to like, to share, and also to leave us a comment down below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Please also remember to check out the 47 Investments Company. We would appreciate that. And until next time, have a good day and be blessed. Bye bye.